Learning time with Gramps.
Okay, the station manager wants me to do a public service announcement. Let's see here. Smoking is bad. Shish, like everyone doesn't already know this. All right, cigarettes cause cancer. Let me make this real easy for you. Hey kids, if you even look at a lit cigarette, you'll get eye cancer and go blind. Well, the bright side of early blindness is that now you'll be free to polish your knob as often as you'd like with no further consequences. So, sounds like a win-win to me.
Reading comments with Gramps.
Okay, I got a letter from a viewer named Jerrod. Dear Gramps, you seem to hate everything. Isn't there anything you like? Well, Jerrod, I like tossing stupid fan letters like yours onto the floor. Next. Okay, here's a letter from a guy that calls himself Oreo Lives On. I'm guessing Chips Ahoy, Nilla Wafer, Nutter Butter, and Fig Newton Lives On were already taken or something. Well, anyway, he says, Dear Gramps, I was recently at a Parrot show and thought you should see this video I made with my iPhone. Regards, Oreo Lives On. Okay, I don't think I have much of a choice in the matter, so hurry up and play the goddamn clip already, and let's be done with it. Great. A bird plays with a hamster wheel. What's next? Let me guess. He's gonna say, Polly want a cracker? Whoa! You're right, Oreo. That was a great video. I love it. Let's take a look at that video in the instant replay mashup version. What do you know? Hey, Jerrod, I officially like something.
Thanks for watching On Target with Gramps. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode. And don't forget to friend Gramps at Facebook.